Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop. Welcome to the Custom Diecast Renegades and Hoodlums Custom Truck Challenge presented by Gunslinger Garage. There are a lot of prize packages this time around. Gunslinger Garage, free car, El Camino, first place, second, and third, Amazon gift cards. William Mr. K7 Robinson giving away a K10. Howard from Big Paw Garage is giving away some trophies and a bag of 3D printed parts to the top three. Kristen Stanaland is giving away some mint inbox Hot Wheels, first place, second place, and he's also giving away a Hot Wheels car to the third place winner. Kenny Terry from Waterslide Decals is giving away a $20 gift voucher for decals for first, second, and third place. We have a custom diorama by Chris Smith. This thing is unbelievable. Also have a first place prize for custom monster truck from Joe Patton. We have a Real Riders Bone Shaker donated by somebody I cannot remember because my computer crashed. Donated by Dustin Winsell. We have first and second place Bone Shakers Baja version. And the winner gets every single entry. Welcome to round one, part one. I had to break this into two sections to make it easier for voting. So we're going to do the top 5 brackets right off the bat. That's what this video is for. There'll be another one following this one for the bottom 5 brackets. Number 12, the brush burner. This started life as a Nova gasser and turned it into a service truck. Number 14, the glitter shitter. The hood was removed, new big block engine installed with spark plugs, paint was stripped off the body, resprayed with bright silver base and clear Tamiya acrylic, micro glitter, coated the whole truck with the Tamiya clear yellow, then upper half painted using Tamiya clear blue. Number 6, the Redemption Wrecker started life as a 52 Chevy. Every aspect of this thing has been cut, stretched, notched, channeled, you name it. The bed is replaced with real cedar wood. The tow arm is real fencing wire. Number 19, America. Competition orange metal flake jacked up oversized tires Southern Renegade truck. Square body Chevy. This is the epitome of a Southern redneck pickup truck that you take out in the mud. Jacked up, ready to rock. Number 11, Redemption. It's a 62 Chevy truck, custom with the bed cut off, rear hand built, matching trailer, carrying a Chevy Love as a cargo, finished in an orange and gunmetal paint job and decals for that race day feel. Number 13, Zombie Colorado. It's a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Extreme 4x4 Matchbox casting. Added a plow to the front chassis, fuel barrel in front and back, spikes, tires, machine guns, and zombie blood. Number 8, Sunday Driver. It's a matchbox casting with lift and wheel swaps. Been repainted, detailed with a wood box floor and a sunroof delete. Number 17, Blue Magic. This is painted with a duplicolor customized wrap effect stellar blue. Paint changes in the light. Motorcycles are hand painted. Base is flat black with the headlights, taillights, and grille painted. Bottom is detailed. Wheels are blue accented from an R2-D2 character car. Number 9, the Old Timer. This was originally a Hot Wheels Ford flare side in bright red with flames. It's been lifted and put on a Jada Trucks chassis, weathered paint job, cut out side windows, and custom rear bumper. Number 22, the El Nomino. 55 Nomad with the top cut off, filled in sunroof, scoop removed, detailed interior, speakers and amplifier, finished truck bed, widened wheel tubs, handmade NOS bottle, removable flush mount aluminum bed cover, axle tubes made with recycled Bic lighter parts, custom rear window, color is intense blue pearl by Duplicolor. Alright, so how to vote. All entrants are anonymous. Nobody's supposed to know who built what. To vote, comment below. Enter the numbers of your choices. For example, 1, 2, 3. The numbers that you enter all count. So please make sure you vote on each single competition. Don't just put one number down because you think he's going to win, the whole thing. So those will be discounted. So please make sure to vote in each and every single competition. Number 12 or number 14. Number 6 or number 19. Number 11 or number 13. Number 8 or number 17. Number 9 or number 22. Voting is open for 24 hours. Last time we figured out the 90% of the votes came in within 24 hours. So after 24 hours, I will be shutting comments off and tallying them up. Please make sure you vote. We have a bunch of great cars in here and trucks. Everybody did a wonderful job. Let's honor them and encourage them by making sure we all vote. Thanks, and I'll catch you on the next one.